Did you know Pinterest isn't just for saving recipes and planning weddings? In 2025, people are turning simple pins into serious passive income, some even making thousands of dollars a month. Today, we're breaking down exactly how you can make money with Pinterest, even if you have 0 followers and no prior experience. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to earn with Pinterest. Here's how it works. You create pins that promote other people's products. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale offer thousands of products you can promote. The trick? Create visually appealing pins that link to your affiliate products, and use keywords so they show up in search. Pro tip: use Canva to design your pins and research keywords using Pinterest trends. Number 2. Sell digital products. Next, sell your own digital products. Think printable planners, budget templates, Notion pages, or even Instagram story packs. You don't need to be a designer. Use tools like Canva AI or Creative Fabrica for quick creation. Then list your products on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your product pages by sharing pins that solve problems or offer tips. Example: free daily planner for busy moms with a link to your Etsy shop. Number 3. Drive traffic to a blog. If you love writing, start a blog and use Pinterest to get traffic. Each pin you post can link back to a helpful blog post, recipe, tutorial, or guide. Monetize your blog with ads using platforms like Ezoic or Mediavine. You can also promote affiliate links or digital products within your articles. Popular niches that perform well include DIY and crafts, budgeting and finance, health and wellness, and home decor. Pinterest is a visual search engine, so treat each blog post like a product you're showcasing. Number 4. Offer Pinterest VA services. Want to help others while making money? Become a Pinterest virtual assistant. Many bloggers and online shop owners are too busy to manage their Pinterest accounts. You can offer services like pin design, scheduling posts, SEO optimization, and monthly growth reports. Charge anywhere from $200 to $1,000 or more per month, depending on your experience. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups to find clients. Number 5. Sell Pinterest templates. Here's a passive option: sell Pinterest templates. Design editable templates in Canva and sell them on Creative Market, Etsy, or your own site. Many business owners need professional-looking pins, but don't have the time or skills to design from scratch. You make the template once, and it sells over and over again. Number 6. Combine Pinterest with dropshipping. You can also use Pinterest to promote your dropshipping store, launch a Shopify or WooCommerce site, add trending products, and create pins that drive traffic. This works best when you pick a niche like pet supplies, minimalist home items, or wellness accessories. Pinterest users are ready to shop. They're planners, not scrollers. Number 7. Bonus tips for Pinterest success. A few extra tips to boost your success. Use Tailwind to schedule pins and stay consistent. Focus on vertical images with a 2 to 3 aspect ratio. Add keywords to your pin title and description. Repin your content to multiple boards. Join group boards in your niche for wider reach. Pinterest is a long-term traffic machine. Your pins can keep bringing in views and money for months or even years. Pinterest isn't just a social network. It's a search engine that millions use every day to find inspiration and shop. And now you know exactly how to tap into that traffic and turn it into income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more side hustle tips every week. Which Pinterest method are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments.